Current hex cost for the most part is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. Hex cost examination explicitly is negative today in a really significant manner. First help level for hex in every way that really matters is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive way. 08 July 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through hex cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these truly got clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What in a real sense is truly transient cost expectation for hex? In a real sense, is hex a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Hex help and opposition levels and so forth, or so they sort of thought. Yet prior to plunging in every practical sense profound into the hex specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the all things considered current economic situations in a fundamentally huge way. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in a by and large significant manner. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters, remains at $20,577,638,440 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time period, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.66, and as of now exchanging at 47 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions for the most part show that the market explicitly is going in an essentially descending course for genuinely present moment. Or so they certainly thought. As of now, a truly broad, for the most part regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish most certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,112,561,953, which by and large is very huge. Support especially is a level at which purchasers for the most part become substantially more by and large dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a very significant way. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants really become move certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in a genuinely significant manner. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The sort of day-to-day graph of hex, for the most part, shows that the hex cost certainly has an in every practical sense descending development, with a 1.19% reduction in truly beyond 24 hours in a huge way. The value worth of the hex coin generally is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, in an exceptionally huge manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume especially is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars. which fundamentally shows that similarly, obstruction is a level at which vendors explicitly become move kind of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for 08 July 2023, insight and everyday time span. All things considered, made sense of underneath in an essentially significant manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA. To by and large examine the future development of the hex, exhibiting that following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The genuinely everyday outline of hex explicitly shows that the hex cost really has an essentially descending development, with a 1.19% decline and exceptionally beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, showing how XRP, the really local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.66 and at present exchanging at 47 cents, which generally is very critical. Hex financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day graph, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Hex in every practical sense has a practically the closest opposition of $0.036, which generally shows that hex in every way that really matters has a practically the closest obstruction of $0.036. Incredibly, a bullish breakout in this opposition level would generally support the upswing energy, exhibiting that hex financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day graph, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 0.65%. coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours in a quite large manner. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.039, which truly is very huge. On the other hand, assuming that the financial backers fundamentally betray the hex, the sort of bears could handle the market and fundamentally take hex cost underneath the vital help level of $0.030, which explicitly shows that 08 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through hex cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, certainly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is genuinely momentary cost expectation for hex, essentially is hex a wise venture, which truly is very critical. While Hex's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition.